Hey you guys, it's been a while since I sat down and chit-chatted with you and did an unboxing with you. Oh my gosh, I think the last time I may have unboxed a luxury good was probably 2018, right before we left Germany, coming back to the States. And I had bought the Gucci Soho and I purchased the Neo Noe. I think those were my last two bags, and then I went on like a debt-free journey. And so we've been crushing it, all of that. So now that we're at the tail end of our debt-free journey, I thought this was a great opportunity to get this bag. I really regret not being able to buy it before I left Germany. Because in 2018 is when this bag released, but I could not get my hands on it before we left. So I ended up with the Neo Noe. All right, so anyway, so as you see, here goes the box that it came in. I purchased it online, LOUISVuitton.com. So it's a hit and miss if it's available. Sometimes it's on there, then you'll go back and check and it's disappeared. So yay, you definitely have to just go. So like I went on there the next day and it was gone. So I was so happy I went on it. I do hate that it was a price increase just like March and another one here in May. So I pay like more than it's just ridiculous. But anyways, I'm happy I have it. Like I said, I ordered it online. So this is the original like box that it came in. Very discreet if you order it online. And the box, oh, here is like the dust bag if y'all care. It came in this type of dust bag. Yay. But I've already been playing around with it for the last day or so. So yay, it just got in. I did one day shipping and it came in the next day. So here goes my Louis Vuitton. It's called a bum bag, or some people call it I forgot what they got, but this is called a Louis Vuitton bum bag, literally bum bag. Okay, so I am so excited to have it. Like I said, I wanted it since it released in 2018. Couldn't get my hands on it. Then I got back to the States and we just got on this debt-free journey. So I stopped buying all things luxury. I had to delay pleasure. But I'm so glad I did, because we purchased this with all cash. Pretty much all my luxury bags I've always purchased with cash. I never put them on credit cards or anything. But it's just the fact that this was definitely purchased with cash. Do that. Don't put stuff on credit cards. Listen, here goes. It has a zipper in the back. I've been utilizing it today. I put my phone back here, and this little booklet they put in the back. Oh, it's just like the little care booklet. And so here goes the style number and the little tag if you're interested. If you type in bum bag on the site, then it'll be there. I had, like I said, I was using it today, and I just had lip gloss in the back and my phone. Fits very nicely in the back. Move this stuff over here. So just drop it in there. I'm still getting used to, I found myself when I put it on today, instead of leaving it right here, I found myself throwing it to the back and keeping it like this, because I'm just not used to a bag being here, like in the front. So I'm just keep putting it here. Just got to get used to it being here with a bag actually here, because I'm used to crossbody bags, but when I have my crossbody, I just throw it, you know, like that. Okay, so here goes my Louis Vuitton favorite, and actually this bag holds more than this bag. I can get a full-size water bottle in here, just everything, you know. I wouldn't be able to do that with this little favorite, but still love it's my rider right here. This is my little rider bag. Some people say it doesn't get heavy. Yes, it does. If you stuff it too much, you can definitely feel that weight in here. Look at the interior here. Mine was made in France, for anyone that matters. Made in France. This is my all-time favorite. While I've been searching online, I cannot find the name of it. I'm gonna look for my receipt to see if I can see the name of it, but I purchased this before I left Germany as well. I just love it. It's so perfect. I have my military ID right here, my license, my son's military ID, so it just works. It's just perfect. But I'm kind of stretching it out, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and order a card holder so I can put my additional cards in there. But anyways, this wallet is perfect. Just fit in here. Some hand sanitizer. This is some spray breath stuff, and my mini pochettes. I can put this little stuff. I just purchased this stuff here, so I can put that in here. But in my mini pochettes, let me share what I have. Hand lotion, lip gloss, since I've been wearing contacts lately, some eye drops. And if I had to take off my contacts, I have a contact case. This is just like a little travel spoon if I ever was in dire need of a spoon. Zyrtec, because you always need Zyrtec. I feel like if you ever have to like clip something on, like because I used to travel all the time in Europe, I used to have these little things, and like if I had a whole bunch of bags, I would clip this on my book bag to carry all of my extra bags. When I used to ride the train, here goes like a little mirror. It's supposed to actually be on the back of your phone, but I just leave it in my little pochette. Here goes a flushable little wipe here, some alcohol wipes. What else is in here? Some gift cards, Pier 1, it's closed. It's one of them that closed down here. My old license, I don't know why it's in here. A Victoria's Secret gift card that's been there since like holiday time. I never went back. And then like a little sampler, Bon Victor and Row perfume. Okay, and I usually have my little refillable perfumes in here. They're over there on my desk, but that's what's in this little pochette. I love this little mini pochette. Using this as a bag. Right when this outbreak fell out and you didn't want to take your wallet, you just throw your license, money, whatever in here and just put a little crossbody, and this was my purse. Like, so I use this as a purse as well. Sometimes I'll take this strap. This strap that I purchased from Louis Vuitton, I'll take this strap off, and like I changed my strap out here, I'll use it on this little mini pochette. All right, or I have like a little gold chain that I purchased like Amazon. But anyways, this is what fits in here. You see my wallet, this mini pochette, all of that, and it's still a ton of room in here. And then I had show you all this other stuff that I had in here. I had an extra camera battery because I had my camera in here, this extra battery, just some little earbuds, an ink pen. Usually I have ink pens inside of like a pen holder. I just don't have it right now since I just got in this bag. Some lip gloss. So all of that goes in here. And you gotta fold that part down and you just put it on. And look at that. You can hold your bag like this. That's cute too. But this is the length that this hit me. And then with this strap, here goes my, now this one is a little more because it lays flatter. Then this one protrudes out. But I can hold more in here. And you see, that's about the length. You can see the difference in the, so here goes, this one is just like right here, close to you, and then this one just hangs down here. I still love my favorite. Yeah. Mini pochette fits into my favorite, like that. I can get my wallet. This is why I love this wallet, because it has everything I need, and it fits both in there. If I try to get a water in here, I mean, it's not gonna close. So you see what I mean? You get a ton of more room. That water bottle is not closing, but that closes just fine. Still really wanted this bag for the last 2 years, so finally got it. I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm actually looking into the Gucci one. I want the white one, so we'll see if I can get my hands on the white one. But I've always liked these type of bags. I have the Coach, so I just gotta get used to this one. Like, make Okay, so I just wanted to share what could fit here in my bum bag, my Louis Vuitton bum bag. I absolutely love it. So cute. Just gotta get used to it being in the front of my, because I'm so used to having my little crossbodies, my little Gucci disco, all of those, just throw it on and it sits on my hip, not necessarily in the front of me. So I'm still adjusting to that. I don't see a lot of people explaining that you may have to get used to that, a bag being here. Like I used to have my babies there whenever I used to have them in a little carrier, but to have a whole handbag there, I definitely have to get used to. So like when I was walking around at Home Depot and all that, I tossed it to the back and it was much better, more realistic. Anyways, so like I was saying, I used to have a Coach, I still have it actually, my Coach fanny pack. So it's just so funny how like most of my style Coach bags I used to have back in the day, I transitioned into like Louis Vuitton or Gucci, and it's so ironic, you know what I mean? So I used to have like the handbag it's like a style of a Coach bag, right, that I used to have, and I ended up transitioning to like a Speedy style bag. And then I used to love this one Poppy that came out, and then I ended up transitioning to a Neverfull. So all of the bags I used to have back in the day in Coach, the style that I absolutely love, now I'm transitioning to higher end or whatever. Y'all probably don't understand what I'm saying, but I know what I'm saying. Like I used to have that brand, and now I'm just finding the styles that I like in like Louis Vuitton. So yeah, still have my Coach fanny pack. I wore it to death. I use that to exercise. I'll put all my water bottles, headphones, backup chargers, and I used to walk the trail with it. And now I can use this to travel and all that. If I was still in Europe, this would be a great bag to go on a train with. Yeah, so I love it. I just purchased some Apple Guard. I saw people spraying Apple Guard on their vachetta. I'm gonna do a little more research and see if that's what I want to do. But it's supposed to be a weather protectant, so you can protect your vachetta. We'll see if I put it on there. I've never sprayed any of my other bags with it, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoy this. This holds a ton. It holds a ton. It even holds even more than my favorite. So you can get a full-size water bottle, a full-size wallet, coin purses, zippy wallets, card holders, anything. You can put it in here, but again, you will feel the weight. With that mini pochette, I can feel the weight in here. All right, this one, I just like the way it hangs a little better. I'm just so used to it being on my hip, and this, look how flat that is. And then you see this one just protrudes out. So just something to think about, but this one is definitely worth it. I'll leave a link to it for the Louis Vuitton site. Like I said, I overnighted it for 20 bucks and I got it literally within less than 24 hours. Happy about it, love it. This little D-ring, I tried to tie a scarf around it. I didn't like it, so we're just gonna let it dangle. I'm not quite sure what put maybe a keychain or something. Maybe a Louis Vuitton keychain will be cute right there, but that's that. Love it. I don't think I'll use this handle. You know what this handle remind me of? That little cosmetic pouch that they have that it's on my list to get one day. So that's what this handle reminds me of. Here's the back. I love this part to put my phone. I love it. So I have my phone and my lip gloss in the back. That is like super perfect. Thank you so much for watching this little unboxing or reveal and mod shots and all that good stuff. Stay tuned for many more videos. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.